Today is shopping day. Today is shopping day. The supermarket is near home. The supermarket is near home. A shopping bag is ready. A shopping bag is ready. The store is clean. The store is clean. Many people are inside. Many people are inside. A cart is taken. A cart is taken. Fresh fruits are on the table. Fresh fruits are on the table. Apples look red. Apples look red. Bananas look fresh. Bananas look fresh. Vegetables are in rows. Vegetables are in rows. Tomatoes are bright. Tomatoes are bright. Potatoes are big. Potatoes are big. A list is checked. A list is checked. Milk is in the fridge. Milk is in the fridge. Bread is on the shelf. Bread is on the shelf. Eggs are in a box. Eggs are in a box. Rice is in a big bag. Rice is in a big bag. Oil is in bottles. Oil is in bottles. Prices are clear. Prices are clear. Some items are cheap. Some items are cheap. Some items are expensive. Some items are expensive. A discount is available. A discount is available. The cart is getting full. The cart is getting full. A bill counter is ahead. A bill counter is ahead. A line is long. A line is long. Waiting takes time. Waiting takes time. Items are placed on the counter. Items are placed on the counter. The cashier scans items. The cashier scans items. Cash is given. Cash is given. The store exit is near. The store exit is near. The bag feels heavy. The bag feels heavy. The walk back starts. The walk back starts. Home is close. Home is close. Items are placed in the kitchen. Items are placed in the kitchen. Everything is organized. Everything is organized. Shopping is complete. Shopping is complete.